Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing a mystery package. Well, for you guys it's not mystery because it'll be in the thumbnail. For me, I don't know what's in here because a friend of mine sent it to me with the black hole that I recently unboxed. You can watch that video up here. So yeah, let's get right into it. Let's see what's inside of here. Oh, that's cool. I've seen this slider around on AliExpress and other places too. QC pass, anything under here, stickers and stuff like that. Pretty cool. All right, put this back. Put that aside, the bag. But yeah, excited to see what this feels like. Let's get into it. All right, here it is. I don't know the name of that, but I like it. I really enjoy it. It's like nice, strong magnets. Clicky. I'm used to my magnets, just pushing it to the side, but yeah, this thing's interesting. I like it. I keep throwing that. Damn, I'm like used to that move, but as you can see on my magnet sliders, I can do that very easily. Just throw it out, and if I just do that here, see, it won't work on there. So yeah, back to this thing though. It's pretty cool. I'm just so used to doing that move. So yeah, but this thing is pretty nice. I like the magnet rattle inside of it. Not the loudest clicks on the way down, but they're okay. This is a great free-floating slider for somebody who wants like a quiet one with strong magnets. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how loud it is. So like 70 max, but yeah, this is pretty cool. I would recommend it. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, I'm pretty sure these are not like expensive at all, maybe like 20-30 bucks, but yeah, they're great. I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure to check out our channel sponsors down below. You guys get an exclusive 10% off your entire order on your favorite fidgets. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the bell notifications, and see you guys in the next video.